Okay, diffusion in gases. Student, in last session for also we learn the diffusion of gases, diffusion of solid and liquid. Say next, see in this session also we are going to very deep see diffusion in gases. That is diffusion. Diffusion means it is the particles, the gas is mixing with another gases. So it is a moving from high concentration to low concentration. We are calling the diffusion of gases. See, diffusion in gases is very fast. See, gases is a diffusing very fast. This is because the particle of gases move very quickly in all directions. The gases is moving in all directions very quickly. See, the rate of diffusion of gases is, however, depends on its density. See, diffusion of gases, rate of diffusion of a gas is, however, depends on its density. Light gases diffuse faster than heavy gases. See, lighter gases is a diffusion very fast. See, for example, the smell of gases diffuse faster than heavy gases. See, we have to see the example, we have to see the smell of food being cooked. See, our mother is cooking the food or our neighbors is cooking the food. What will happen? Cooked in the food in kitchen reaches us even from a considerable distance. We have to see in our neighbors or at our home also. It is preparing some food substances or already prepared the food substances is kept. What will happen? The smell is reaching to our nose. See, in our nose, what is there? There is a receptors is there. The receptors, the smell is dissolved in that mucus and sending to the signal to our brain. See, our brain is detecting the specific food substances smell. Okay, see, for example, your mother also already prepared some substances and kept in the kitchen hall. See, if you enter the kitchen hall, it is some smell is coming. See, you are asking to your mother. See, mother, you prepared your special today some food items, food substances. I am getting the smell. See, mother is giving to the some food substances. Okay, the fragrance of the burning of incense stick, agarbatti, also spread all around the diffusion of its smoke. See, for example, someone, it is a agarbatti jala rahe. See, that is a mogra name is there. See, one agarbatti name. We can easily detect it is mogra agarbatti. See, so many names also is there into the spread all around the diffusion of smoke into the air. Okay, see, we have to see the smell of perfume spread due to the diffusion of perfume vapor into the air. See, perfume also, it is so many students or it is a perfume applied. See, we are easily detect. See, this perfume is a name this one. See, this perfume is a name is a Denver. See, this perfume name is a another one. See, number of perfumes is there. You can easily detect this perfume is a belongs to this name. Okay. See, next we have to see the LPG. At our home, we are using the LPG gas cylinder. Okay, this LPG gas cylinder, so it is has a butane gas. See, LPG cylinder has which gas? butane gas. Butane gas. See, this butane gas, for there is no smell. Smellless. Okay. See here, if this like butane gas is a spreading or leaking, what will happen? It will catch the fire. It will catch the fire. That's why in butane gas per adding to the ethyl mercaptan. See, ethyl mercaptan. Ethyl mercaptan. Mercaptan or mercaptan. Mercaptan. Ethyl mercaptan. See, we are calling this is a LPG gas. LPG gas. See, for example, the butane gas is leaking or spreading out. See, we can get the easily smell. See, leaking of butane gas. See, immediately we are turn off the regulator. Okay. See, cylinder is a off, means is a switched off or turn off we are calling. See, this like butane gas present in this butane gas is present in ethyl mercaptan. It is spreading the smell. It is spreading the smell. Spreading smell. Okay, we can easily detect the leaking of butane gas. Okay, is it complete? Next we have to see the diffusion in liquids. Okay, second one. Diffusion in liquids. Okay, diffusion in liquids also. We have to see the diffusion in liquid. It is slower than that of gases. See, here is slower than gases. Diffusion of liquids. See, for example, see we have to see the example KMnO4. Example KMnO4, potassium permanganate. KMnO4. Next we have to see the copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Next third one is a ink is there. Ink. Okay. See, we have to pour this KMnO4 in a water. See, here is a pour the KMnO4. See, this is a water. Water. This is a water. We pour the KMnO4. See, here pour the KMnO4, potassium permanganate. What will happen? Is it settle down the bottom? This settle down the bottom. KMnO4. See, what will happen? Slowly, this crystals, KMnO4 crystals is diffusing slowly. See, slowly this like diffusing. Okay. See, after it is totally spread out this KMnO4. See, totally spreading this like. Okay. See this like slowly spreading. Okay. Gases is diffusing very fastly, but KMnO4 is spreading or diffusing is slowly. Next we have to see the here also copper sulfate. See, we already done the experiment also last year. Okay. See, this is a beaker. Here we are took the water and we are pour the, here is a KMnO4. Here pour the KMnO4. See, here is a KMnO4 is there. What will happen? It will be take the time to diffuse. Okay, slowly it is a diffusing this like slowly diffusing copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Ink also, see, ink also is diffusing very slowly. Ink also, pouring the ink. See, this is a water. Okay, if you pour the ink inside, what will happen? It is slowly diffusing this light. Okay, have you observed? Okay, see this light diffusing. Next is some gases also diffusing in water. For example, carbon dioxide and oxygen gases present in the air and diffuse into the water, and taking the these oxygen rich water or carbon dioxide rich water is a taking the aquatic plants and animals. See, fishes is a required the oxygen rich water they are taking, and so many plants is there, they are also required the carbon dioxide. They are taking the carbon dioxide through a liquid or water. See, it is using this carbon dioxide and preparing the food substances. See, helping to the preparation of photosynthesis. And here so many aquatic animals also survive and taking for this oxygen gas as a respiratory gases. The rate of diffusion in liquids much faster than in solids. It is a much faster than solids. See this like diffusion in liquids. Next we have to see the diffusion in solids. Okay. See third one. Diffusion in solids. Okay. See, for example, diffusion in solids. Diffusion in solids are very slow. Very slow. See, if it is a very slow. If you write something on the blackboard or leave it uncleaned for a considerable period of time, 10 to 15 days. 10 to 15 days. We wrote on the board, we can't clean. See, we didn't clean. What will happen if we leave that 10 to 15 days? What will happen? See, this time, say it is a difficulty to clean. After 10 to 15 days is a difficulty to clean because of the chalk piece binding with the blackboard, the marker binding with this whiteboard. This light is there, means is a binding. So it is a liquid. See, solid also, it is a diffusion is a occurring. If two metals blocks are bound together, tightly kept and undisturbed for a few years, then the particles of one metals are formed and have diffused into the other metals. We have to see the old vehicles. We have to observe in police station. See, number of old vehicles is a what will happen? It is a rusting. We are calling the rusting also. See, nut and bolt is a fusion together. See, we can't take out nut and bolt is a separate. Means it is a fusion together. It will be break. Otherwise, we can't take a clean this nut and bolt. See, we have to see this like fusion of the. Next, we have to see the wall. See this wall, and it is a wall paint. Also, it's a diffusion. It is a solid. Okay, this like diffusion is a occurring, and see we have to learn in day to day. See, diffusion in gases is a faster. Diffusion is a liquid is a gases compared to the slower, and liquid to compare it is a fast. It is a diffusion in solids is a very slow process. Very slow process. See, this like diffusion in gases, diffusion in liquids, and diffusion in solids. See, these are a very important.